Are you looking for the best iron USB fans? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best iron USB fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Zuvas Desk Fan. Zuas Desk Fan is a compact USB fan that has 2 speed settings and 360° free rotation. It boasts a super quiet operation, less than 40 dB, and has an exquisite metallic appearance. With a 4-inch diameter blade, it can be accessed via USB interface like adapter, power bank, PC/laptop. The metal mini fan is more refined in appearance than plastic fan and comes with 3 anti-slip rings under the base for stable support. Number 2. AA. The AA iron neck hanging fan is a portable and hands-free solution for staying cool in any situation. With its unique neck hanging design, you can free your hands and have the fan conveniently positioned around your neck. The angle of the fan can be adjusted, allowing you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it. The fan offers 3 speed options, powered by a silent motor, ensuring a quiet and comfortable experience. With easy USB charging and a portable size, you can take this fan with you wherever you go. Stay cool and comfortable with the AA iron neck hanging fan. Number 3. EasyCloud 120mm. The EasyCloud USB fan is designed for versatile cooling solutions. Its anti-vibration feet ensure stability, whether you place it vertically or horizontally, minimizing noise and enhancing performance. With a 3-speed adjustable feature, you can easily switch between low, medium, and high speeds, catering to different cooling needs, from quiet environments like bedrooms to high-demand setups. This fan connects effortlessly to any USB-powered device, making it perfect for various applications, including PCs, routers, and gaming consoles. The protective iron grille adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidents while keeping you comfortable. Number 4. SCCCF 40mm. The SCCCF USB fan is a mini cooling fan that offers convenience, high quality, and long life. With its magnetic footpad design, it can easily be attached to any metal iron products, allowing for different heat dissipation schemes. The fan comes with 3-speed control and a compact size, making it perfect for DIY cooling and narrow spaces. It also features a metal grille on the front side for protection and high-quality bearings for durability. With a lifespan of 65,000 hours, this fan can be laid flat or stand upright. It is widely used for ventilation in various electronic equipment such as VR glasses, TV boxes, Raspberry Pi, routers, and small PC cases. Number 5. Kellipu USB Desk Fan. The Kelepu Mini USB fan is designed for your comfort, featuring an ultra-quiet operation that makes it perfect for your office or relaxation time without disturbing those around you. You can enjoy a refreshing breeze from any angle thanks to its 360 degrees rotating capability, allowing you to direct airflow precisely where you need it. Made with high-quality materials, this fan not only looks vibrant but is also built to last. Plus, its easy one-button operation means you can turn it on or off effortlessly, making it a convenient addition to your workspace. Number 6. Quiet 80mm. The EasyCloud USB fan is designed for versatile cooling solutions. Its anti-vibration feet ensure stability, whether you place it vertically or horizontally, minimizing noise and enhancing performance. With a 3-speed adjustable feature, you can easily switch between low, medium, and high speeds, catering to different cooling needs, from quiet environments like bedrooms to high-demand setups. This fan connects effortlessly to any USB-powered device, making it perfect for various applications, including PCs, routers, and gaming consoles. The protective iron grille adds an extra layer of safety, preventing accidents while keeping you comfortable. Number 7. KITRDOOR. The KITRDOOR USB Desk Fan is a compact and portable fan that provides a cool breeze wherever you go. With its 360 degrees rotation feature, you can easily adjust the direction of the airflow to suit your needs. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this fan is perfect for keeping you comfortable and cool. The fan operates quietly, so it won't disturb your sleep, study, or work. Its stylish metal appearance adds a touch of elegance to any space. The stable base ensures that the fan stays in place, and its small size makes it easy to carry in your bag or luggage. Stay cool and comfortable with the KITRDOOR USB Desk Fan.